But
Right.
what he discovered is he discovered the effect of anaphylaxis. His Nobel Prize acceptance speech is on the Nobel Prize website, and I advise everyone to read it. It will open your eyes. So in this speech, he says that anaphylaxis is basically unpredictable reaction. So some percentage of the population will develop it based on two times exposure to the same biological toxin, but the same substance. And
Mm.
he initially started with biological toxins like jellyfish toxin, but
Mhm.
quickly realized that the same exact reaction can happen with any protein directly injected into the bloodstream, no matter how benign. So he ultimately started using milk, egg, cereal, albumins, nothing particularly difficult to obtain. And
Right.
so he demonstrated that these benign substances, generally regarded as safe by the
Right.
FDA to
Right.
inject, are actually can be potentially deadly or lifelong disabling. So it's not just that the anaphylaxis can be deadly because it's a severe shock, but there's a continuum of reaction that develops from mild rash to severe shock. But
Mm.
if the mild, for example, somebody develops mild rash, meaning they are now anaphylactized or allergic to this substance,
Okay.
even minute exposure to that substance, such as through food now. So first injection, and then
Hmm.
if you develop that reaction, you're going to be very, very, very sensitive. So food consumption of the same thing will now be producing allergies. So now we have, for example, a peanut allergy or gluten allergy or
Right.
shellfish allergy. These are all coming from anaphylactic reactions because albumin cereals are in vaccines, the fish
Hmm.
gelatin is in vaccines,
Right.
other gelatin, the other bovine products like casein, various types of yeast, gluten, nut oils, you name it. There's a lot of
Wow.
egg because of the chicken, they would grow them in chicken eggs. So all of this gamut of food, normal food, now becomes poisonous to those people, and very, very insidious because in a lot of cases, in the majority of cases, it's a kind of mild thing, but it's undiagnosed for decades. You develop eventually an autoimmune condition.
Hmm.
So again, this is a perfect way to have a very, very delayed reaction. So you can deny it, of course, and then blame all sorts of things. But then it develops into a disabling autoimmune condition. So for example, lupus, RA,
Hmm.
psoriatic arthritis,
Yep.
they all start from these allergies, which are kind of subclinical or not well understood, but the damage is being done over decades.